Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get or install VN editor in your PC or your system. Here, in order to get this VN video editor, all you have to do is just click for Windows from the VN official website. And this is the guide. So in order to get VN video editor for Windows, you can download and install BlueStack first. So you can get this BlueStack installer zip from official website. You can click on download based on your operating system. Once done, open the file, wait for installation complete, and when the installation process finish, you have to wait for it to extract. BlueStack will start automatically. Then, in order to get the VN video editor, you can go to the Google Play and install VN, or use the VN APK to install it. Here we go. Open Media Manager to import footage or VN project for editing. And you can also export your VN editor video to Windows. So, feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support this button below. See you in the next video.